As the war in Ukraine nears its one-year mark, Kyiv is pushing Western allies to provide modern battle tanks for its fight with Russian forces. And there's one particular model the Ukrainians want: the German-made Leopard 2. For Ukraine, what's so special about Germany's Leopard 2 tanks? Let's find out. Germany's Leopard 2 tanks are considered to be among the best in the world, and they are highly regarded for their advanced technology and high level of protection. They are equipped with state-of-the-art armor, a powerful main gun, and advanced fire control systems. Additionally, they have proven to be reliable and durable in combat. For Ukraine, which has been involved in a prolonged conflict with Russia, access to advanced military equipment, such as the Leopard 2 tanks, would be seen as a significant asset in terms of defending their territory. The Leopard 2 tank could provide Ukraine with a significant boost in its ability to defend its territory against Russian aggression. The tank's advanced technology and high level of protection would make it a formidable force on the battlefield, and it could potentially help to deter Russian aggression by making it more difficult for them to achieve military objectives. Additionally, the Leopard 2 powerful main gun and advanced fire control systems would give Ukrainian forces a significant advantage in terms of firepower and accuracy. However, it is important to note that military equipment alone is not a guarantee of success in a conflict. The Leopard 2 tank would need to be operated by well-trained and experienced personnel, and it would need to be integrated into a larger military strategy in order to be effective. Furthermore, having access to Leopard 2 tanks does not instantly make Ukraine's army stronger than the Russian army. It's a complex issue that involves many factors like military strategy, training, logistics, and political will. One big appeal of the German-made tanks is their sheer number. More than 2,000 have been deployed in over a dozen European countries and Canada. Overall, Krauss-Maffei-Wegmann says more than 3,500 units have been supplied to 19 countries. According to a recent analysis by the International Institute for Strategic Studies, a London-based global think tank, some 350 Leopard 2s in different versions have been sent to Greece, and Poland has about 250 of varying types. Finland has 200 in operation or in storage.